used the ordinary Matrixyl 10% plus HA for almost 90 days. And the real question is, was it actually worth it? Or is it just an overhyped peptide? Because if you look online, Matrixyl is everywhere. It is called the collagen boosting ingredient, something that can help with fine lines, skin firmness. But here is one thing most people do not tell you: how long it actually takes to show results, or whether it even makes a visible difference on its own or not. So in today's video, I'm breaking down my real 3-month experience, what the science actually says, and how this Matrixyl compares to something like Argireline, which has gained popularity in the recent years. So number one, why is Matrixyl even a big deal? Matrixyl 3000 is actually a patented peptide complex developed by Sederma, not the ordinary. What that means, that you will find Matrixyl in many other brands, many other serums. Now, what makes this ingredient interesting is the way, the mechanism it works on our skin. When your skin breaks down collagen over time, it releases small fragments. Matrixyl is designed to mimic those fragments. So your skin basically thinks damage has happened and it's time to repair. And this triggers fibroblasts to produce more collagen, improve skin structure over time. That's the theory. Now coming to the research, most of the data around Matrixyl 3000 shows improvement in skin elasticity, reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and appearance of overall skin texture. But here is one important part. Most studies use around 3% concentration applied twice daily over 8 to 12 weeks. So yes, this one is a long-term game. You don't expect overnight immediate results, and also it depends heavily on consistent use. Now remember, as we age, this entire mechanism of skin breaking down collagen is happening on its own. And that's not the only thing that's happening. There are many other things that are taking over alongside: melanocyte dysregulation, barrier disruption. So if you see, skin aging isn't just one thing happening at a time, it is a multiple process failure that's happening at different speeds. And to actually manage aging skin issues, you need to address each of these issues separately. And that's what I discuss in my one-to-one skincare coaching sessions, also called skincare roadmap sessions, where we discuss your skin problems, aging issues. I'm a 40-year-old certified skincare coach, and I use my own experience combined with science, data, and studies to help you figure out what works best for your skin, your climate, and your budget. So if you're interested to work with me, the link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Now, The Ordinary is using this at 10% concentration, which is quite high, but high concentration doesn't automatically mean faster or dramatically better results. Now, if you compare Matrixyl with something like Argireline, they are not competitors. They are not doing the same things. They are actually doing different things. Matrixyl works on skin structure, supports collagen over time, much slower long-term approach. Whereas Argireline works on dynamic wrinkles. It reduces muscle movement slightly, something very similar to Botox, and gives a faster or surface level smoothing effect. Now let's talk about my actual usage of the ordinary Matrixyl 10% plus HA. I have used roughly 70% of the bottle in the last 3 months, not fully consistent, and I want to be honest about that because I test multiple products. I used this around 3 times a week, about half a pipette each time, sometimes with toner, sometimes without. And honestly, no major difference in performance with or without toner, just that with toner, it took slightly longer to dry. Texture-wise, as I mentioned in my previous video as well, it is slightly sticky, gives that mild taut feeling, but wearable even in humid weather. Now, the most important part, results. Did it dramatically reduce my lines? Of course not. Did I see some improvement in overall skin feel and slight plumpness? Definitely yes. But here is the honest truth. This is not a transformation product. It's a support ingredient. So who this could actually work for? This makes sense to include this as a long-term ingredient in your skincare routine if you start to notice fine lines and wrinkles. If your skin is sensitive and you can't tolerate strong actives, I've used this on even sensitive days, when my skin may be sensitized due to retinoids, or I've shaved my face, or with microneedling, and this worked absolutely fine. It also makes an excellent option if you're using actives alongside and want something supportive. Now, few things to keep in mind. This will not show results very quickly. It is not for, if you already have very deep wrinkles, this might not help. This is a slow, supportive ingredient that shows results when used consistently over months. If you expect visible wrinkle reduction in weeks, you will be disappointed. Now, let me give you a little bit of insight on how to use this to maximize benefits. You have to use consistently, ideally daily. Morning, night. Apply on clean, dry skin. Do not rush layering, let it absorb. Pair with moisturizer to lock hydration. And most importantly, don't rely on this alone for anti-aging, because peptides work best when combined with sunscreen and stronger actives like retinoids. So is Matrixyl worth it? If you want a gentle, long-term support ingredient, yes. If you're expecting visible anti-aging results quickly, no. For me personally, this one is nice to have, but I think if you get formulations that already use Matrixyl in their ingredient list, you can depend on that. You don't have to buy this separately. And there are a lot of formulations in the market, a lot of products that use Matrixyl 3000 as part of their ingredient list. And it makes sense to use them because it may combine retinoid with Matrixyl or other peptides with Matrixyl, which makes more sense when looking at a full-blown anti-aging skincare routine. Now, while I was researching about this, I also got interested in looking at Argireline and how it works. So I will be ordering it soon. Let me know if you really want me to share a review on that. And I'm actually really curious to see how Matrixyl would work alongside Argireline to maximize and optimize benefits. So let me know if you want that video as well. And if you've tried the ordinary Matrixyl, do let me know in the comments how your experience has been. How did it feel on the skin? Did you see any results? Or you have tried Matrixyl, not the ordinary one, but the Matrixyl in general in other formulation in other brands. Do share your experience. I believe Matrixyl works best when used alongside retinoids, because then that, when used regularly, can give you full-blown anti-aging benefits. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you do. Do subscribe to my channel for science-backed real-life skincare testing. I test products over 15 days, 1 month, sometimes 2 months, and I share my honest results. I do not use any filters, anything that covers my dark spots or any fine lines or wrinkles.